A bar of chocolate could brighten up our mood for a day. But do you know that Mayan people once even used it as money? Here's the story. The Mayan tribe valued cacao beans highly in their economy. This is why they used the main ingredient of chocolate as money. They traded these beans for goods and services, with a single bean buying a small meal and 10 beans buying a rabbit. Cacao beans, which didn't spoil quickly and were easy to count, became a standardized form of currency. They were not only practiced for trade but also held deep cultural significance, believed to be a gift from the gods and used in religious rituals. The use of cacao as currency ended with the Spanish conquest, but the legacy of chocolate as both a commodity and a sacred item continues in regions like Mexico and Guatemala.